My name is Philip. We live at Kangaroo Flat. We moved here 4.5 years ago. We bought a lovely 1976 dark brown brick veneer home that had 1976 aluminium windows and very, very thin glass. It was always been an issue. And as we have been progressively making our house far more energy efficient, the very next job to be done was to change every window in the house. We got onto Ultimate Windows, dealt with a lovely lady, Sylvia, who has been in touch with us from day one, and we got a quote. And it was marginally dearer than thermal break, but even the guy from thermal break said, go with the uPVC, it's a much better product at that price. It wasn't a whole lot dearer than basic standard aluminium. So we did. We've done all of the house bar 2 doors, which we'll get done later. The immediate effect is there are no more drafts. And this house was very, very drafty. I had stood beside windows and thought they were open. The house is completely sealed. The exterior has made the house look brand new, but it has brightened up the entire interior of the house. We haven't put on a heater since the windows went in, and trust me, in Bendigo we are now getting down to 4 and 5 degrees overnight. We put a heavy doona on our bed because it was going to get hot, and then we had to throw it off because there's no draft. It was to make the house more livable for us here and now, which it has immediately done. You don't have to do a lot. We've done a lot of things to our house already. We've put on solar, we've got rid of gas. If you don't want to go to the cost of all of those, this is an amazingly simple thing to do that instantly makes your house far less dependent on heating and cooling. This is an incredibly simple thing to do. The people that do it are some of the best tradespeople I've ever come upon. There's no mess, no fuss. It's just, we went away for 2 days, came back, and we had a new house. This is one of the easiest things to do. I would recommend Ultimate Windows to anybody that was looking at windows.